What if your family car didn't settle for ordinary? What if it felt as luxurious as a high-end sedan, but offered the space and versatility of a premium MPV? The 2026 Toyota Alphard is exactly that kind of vehicle. Welcome back to Car Hub, where we bring you cars that exceed expectations. Today we're exploring the Alphard, a vehicle that blends comfort, elegance and utility into one refined package. At first glance, the 2026 Alphard looks unmistakably upscale. Its front fascia is bold and upright, with a large grille that conveys presence and premium status. Sleek LED headlights flank it, and sharp body lines give it a sense of forward motion even while parked. The dimensions are generous, the stance wide and stable, and the overall look says executive comfort rather than family commuter. It's a vehicle designed to carry people in style, from the city to long journeys. Step inside and you immediately sense the emphasis on comfort and luxury. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, premium leather upholstery, wood or metal trim accents, ambient lighting and seats that look more like business-class lounge chairs than typical minivan benches. In many versions you'll find captain's chairs in the second row, huge legroom, and an overall environment that invites you to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride rather than simply endure the drive. Technology is abundant in the 2026 Alphard. There's a large central touchscreen for infotainment with smartphone integration, wireless connectivity, and advanced navigation. The driver's display is clean and modern, offering performance metrics, real-time data and convenience features. Among the standout inclusions are features you'd expect in luxury vehicles: ambient cabin lighting, panoramic sunroof options, multi-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and even features like footrest adjustments or executive rear seat comfort in higher trims. On the powertrain side, Toyota has clearly aimed for a balance of smooth performance and intelligent efficiency. One of the key new options is a plug-in hybrid version, which combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to deliver strong combined output and the ability to travel in electric-only mode for short distances. This means you get the comfort and quiet of electric drive in daily city commuting, plus the range and flexibility of a petrol engine for longer trips. One report suggests an electric-only range of about 73 kilometers in the PHEV version, making it genuinely useful for shorter drives and errands. Car Guide +1. For those who prefer a conventional engine, there are still high-quality petrol options. The Alphard's architecture uses Toyota's global platform for optimized stability, ride comfort and noise reduction. The body is engineered for luxury sedan levels of refinement, even though the vehicle is a full-sized MPV. Toyota Engine News +1. Safety and driver assistance features are extensive. The Alphard includes Toyota Safety,